Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. So in this video, I wanted to share with you what's in my work bag and my art bag. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. So there's two bags that I'm going to show you. This one is my art bag. This one is my work bag. Now, what I have in here typically is my tablet here. Ah, there's me. Hello, hello. And what I like to do is go to a coffee shop on Sundays and paint and watch stuff on YouTube from people I'm subscribed to on my tablet. So, oops. This is one of my sketchbooks that I have a few pages to finish. I did do a tour of this one and the other one. That should be live by now. And then this is my other sketchbook that I made from an old book. I cut the inside of it and then make it into a sketchbook. Then what I also have is this, which is where I keep my watercolor palette, brushes, a pencil, etc. And then in this little spot, oh my god, if I could get it out, is where I keep erasers. Now, the current brushes that I use are twofold. I like these are the Da Vinci Casaneo, which I really like, but I also really like these Princeton Aqua Elite brushes. I like both. The Da Vinci is better in terms of blending in comparison to the other one. And then this is my actual watercolor palette. I use Daniel Smith watercolors. This particular palette I got off of Etsy. And then I just put my own half pans in here, and these are the colors that I use currently. I just thought this was really cool and small and kind of fits anywhere. What I also have in here is a towel. Now this has just been stained from various years of use. This is what I use when I'm mixing color and I just kind of want to play around before actually working with the color, and I might take these off when I'm done and make art out of it or something. I also have a brush because when I erase, I get those eraser things everywhere, so I can just brush it off. And then I have my Kaweco fountain pen. I love writing with fountain pens. I have a whole bunch of them that I need to have cleaned and refilled, etc. I tried cleaning them myself and I didn't do a good job. Anyway, that's another story. And then in this part, I would put my keys and wallet and whatnot. I have a reusable napkin. And then on this side, I have my earbuds. Those are by Samsung, in case the earbuds go dead. This is by Sony. And then I also have this charger thingy and whatnot. And so this is basically my art bag. Okay, this is my Coach work bag. I bought this for a couple $100 in 2021, at Nordstrom's, and it was definitely an investment, not a cheap one, but one that I am ridiculously happy I made. It is very sturdy, well built. This is the front of it. It's got these two zippered pockets. And then it's got this back area. It is ridiculously comfortable to carry. Anyway, in this zippered section, let me open it all the way. I have my mouse and my, it's not a mouse pad, but I forget what this is called. Anyway, I have a portable scale here, a small one, a pen, some pens and pencils, and then this is my laptop charger that goes down here, and my Dell laptop. Nothing super fancy. I bought this in December of 2024. The previous laptop I had was Dell that I had for 5 years, and it needed replacing. In this top zippered area, I have my earphones. I don't like to use my earbuds with this particular laptop. This is just more comfortable. Reusable napkin. Just a ruler. And then I also have an eraser and a portable flash drive for if I need to print out client drawings and whatever. I just go to FedEx office. This, if I can open it, is a pill case. Or I'm using it as a pill case for when I go work at a coffee shop and I put my medication and supplements in here. And then in this bottom section, this I was given at an artisan fair at the Environmental Nature Center. The lady who owns the company that makes this was selling them, and she gifted this to me, which I can use to like wipe off the keyboard or whatever if I get any crumbs on there. Then I have my, supposed to be wearing them while using the computer glasses. I don't always, I'll admit. And then my portable scan disk. I back up everything that needs to be backed up at the end of each day. And then this is just portable one. And then I also have some business cards here, and these are business cards that I'm playing around with in terms of design. Some papers with notes that I want to keep, and that is literally all I've got in my work bag. Super simple, somewhat minimal, and I absolutely love this bag and how it was constructed, etc. So yeah, that's what's in my work bag and art bag.